A truly inclusive workplace is a workplace where you not only feel comfortable to bring your whole self to work, but you feel celebrated for it.
Consciously seeking input from either any females on the call or even any quieter individuals. Often those who are listening more than speaking have the greatest insight to offer.
It's getting as wide a perspective as you can in any organisation and utilising the best of the talent and the people that surround you.
In a genuinely inclusive workplace, like diverse experiences that not only welcomed, but they're celebrated.
I think that an organization is smart to bring in people from both different backgrounds, different perspectives, different experiences.
We know that being there for your family is just as important as crushing it in your job. As dad of two amazing girls, having that flexibility at work means I can be there for all those important family moments without stressing about that I'm missing out something in my job.
To foster inclusion, we can recognize and celebrate the achievements of our people and build on our culture of appreciation.
For me, a truly inclusive workplace is one where everybody can really be their authentic selves.
Having inclusion in our organisation is crucial from a product perspective. It leads to products that cater to a broader audience, enhancing our competitiveness and our customer experience.
This is not just us who's living this as a generation, but it will be what we leave for the next generations to come.
Happy International Women's Day.